We're very proud to be part of Hagerstown. This is our first TPO plant built in North America. This state-of-the-art facility shows our commitment to this industry. I think it's wonderful to have HK and SK at the grand openings. They're the reason that we're at the stage that we're at right now.
It's been a very positive experience so far. We like to become part of the communities that we work in.
We have the latest technology available in both lines. We're very proud to be running faster than majority of the plants out there.
We look forward to expanding throughout the United States, filling the TPO needs in the market. We have a unique manufacturing facility in commercial roofing. We have side-by-side lines of TPO production and Polyiso insulation production. Our operation is fully putting out entire roofing systems 24/7. We also have a very large distribution capacity here. That distribution operation enables us to ship entire roofing systems from one single location. That is unique.
We're being fortunate to be in business for over 70 years, and we recognize that we couldn't do that without our family, the team here of employees, and our customers and suppliers. So it's truly appreciated. What excites us about this 460,000 square foot facility is that it's really our entry into the TPO business here in North America with TPO and ISO, and it's only the beginning.